Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you guys how to make a red tinted lip gloss, and this lip gloss is going to be pigmented. So I started off by pouring my gel base in one bowl, and in the next bowl I'm going to be taking any oil of my choice, and I want to take that red powder and I'm just going to stir that in there. So most of my things that I use to create my lip glosses with are from TKB Trading. Once I have mixed that up to my desire, I will be pouring this mix into my gel base, and then I'm also going to take a dye red pigment of my choice, and I'm going to put like 3 drops into the lip gloss. Next, I will be taking 3 other choices of oils that I like to be in my lip gloss, and I'm just going to measure those off and pour that in there. You don't want to have too much oil in the glosses, like you don't just want to go in and put so much at the same time, because you don't want it to be too oily and it's going to break apart and not really be really good gloss, you know what I mean? Every oil that I put in here has its own benefits to the gloss, so that's why I like to measure it off. So now I'm going to be mixing up that red gloss, and as you see, she is pigmented, honey. Like, she's gonna be popping. So this gloss is my famous strawberry margarita. It's one of my best sellers, so I will be putting my strawberry flavoring oil that I got from TKB Trading, and then I'm going to be using my mango flavoring oil that I got from L'Oreal, I think. It's something like that, but you can find these at Amazon. They sell them for like 10 or 12 for a really good price, and they smell really good. So I'm going to be mixing those smell goods in the gloss. And so I like my glosses to be smooth. I don't like them to be thin, and I don't like them to be thick. I like them to be right in between. My glosses feel really great on the lips, and they are not sticky at all. So now I'm going to be preparing to fill my wand tubes, and I'm going to cut off the top and the bottom of that pipette, and I'm going to put that on the end of my syringe. And this is just showing you what it looks like, or what it should look like. Some people apply tape, but so after I finish filling my syringe up with the lip gloss, I'm going to fill my tubes up. My tubes are 7 milliliters, I believe. They're pretty big, but I really did make more than enough for 5 tubes. I really want to get a handle on how I can make my glosses and not have so much product left over, but I'm definitely not throwing my stuff away, period. putting the stoppers and the wands off camera, so the video is coming to an end, and I just want to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial on how to make a red tinted lip gloss. Please shop with me and follow me at Rich Girls Cosmetics. My website is richminx.bigcartel.com.